You love high-speed RC racing? You're in for a thrilling ride. In this video, we unbox, review, and test drive the SCY-16101 PRO, an insanely fast RC car that reaches up to 70 km to reach 43 mph. This brushless motor-powered beast is built for speed, durability, and precision control. Whether you're a beginner or an RC expert, the SCY-16101 PRO delivers an exciting racing experience with its advanced remote control system and long-range capabilities. High-speed performance: this RC car boasts an impressive 70 km/h speed, making it a thrilling experience for kids and adults alike. Its brushless motor ensures smooth and efficient power delivery, allowing users to enjoy high-speed racing and stunts. Advanced remote control system: the SCY-16101 PRO features a 2.4 GHz remote control frequency, providing a stable and reliable connection up to 120 mm. This allows users to control the car with precision and confidence, even in outdoor environments. Long-lasting battery life: with a charging time of 180 to 10 minutes, users can enjoy up to 15 to 18 minutes of continuous playtime. This means less downtime and more fun for kids and adults who love RC cars. Durable and ready to go, the SCY-16101 PRO is made of high-quality plastic and comes in a ready-to-go package complete with batteries, charger, and operating instructions. This makes it easy for users to start racing right away, suitable for beginners and experts. Designed for operator skill levels from beginner to advanced, this RC car is perfect for users of all ages and skill levels. Its 4-channel control system and stable performance make it an ideal choice for those looking to improve their RC driving skills